Hello everyone, welcome back in the series of Let Us Learn Computer. In the previous videos, I have told you about Home tab and I have introduced Insert menu. If you have till now you have not seen the videos, please watch for better learning. And now let us continue with the Insert menu. In the Insert menu, different options are given. Pages we have already done. Under the table option, we have already done these 5 options I have already told you. So now more advanced features we are going to see under this table menu. Okay, so let us first insert a table. This I have told you, this option is given here. Like this we can insert a table. Now the table is ready in front of you. Now you can see when I have made this table, different options are highlighted. You can see different designs are available now. This is a grid view. This is a grid view. Tabular form is shown here. Now you can go for any option like alternate columns. You can highlight like this. You can go for any color. Even not only columns, you can go for rows, and even if you want a header, you want to highlight like this, and then you want to alternate rows, you want alternate columns, you can go for this. You can see more options are there. Like this variety of options are shown. The way you want, you can write your data. You can insert your data in this. Okay, so this is what we have seen under tables. Now more options are there. We can go for coloring. Like here the text is written. Then you can add like this. Okay, so like this, if text is written, what we need to do is we need to highlight this. So we can go for colors also. If I wanted to highlight this, if I have selected this text, I have selected this, and then again if you want to go, you can go for shading. So like this we can apply colors. Okay, other than this we can go for borders also. For this again we have to select, like I have selected this particular column and I am going for the border. This border option we have already done under the home, that is home tab. So this is what you can see, bottom border, so it will come just below the cursor. Top border, it will go above the cursor. Right and left border, so these are the variety of options. We can simply apply all borders. You can see now border is like this. Even we can go for highlighting this border. You want to increase the width, you can increase the width. You want to apply a color, it's by default it is coming black. If I want a red border, I can even go for a red border. You can see a red border is in front of you. So this is what we can apply a border. Different borders. For this we can select where we want a border, then we can select the width, and after width we can go for a color option. So these are the different ways for highlighting your table. For making your table more attractive, we have borders and shading option. Okay, color, size, width, this all options I have already told you. You can just practice and get your attractive table in front of you. Now draw table is same, like we have already done. The pen you will get and you can draw a table. Okay, so like you're working on this, tabular options are there, like tables we were doing, right? So now if you are inserting a table is in front of you, so you are getting the options and you can do all these options. Draw a table. Now you have got a pen and you can draw a table. You can see the black border is coming because it's already selected. Color is selected, width is selected, so you can draw a border the way you want. Okay, so like this you can draw a border. Apart from this at the last you can see eraser. Now I have got the eraser. I have selected this and it will be removed. I have selected, it is removed. Even I can remove this. Okay, so this is the way we can remove the tables, columns, or any part of the table we can remove with the help of eraser. So this is how we can apply these options by styling the table with different colors, and these are the options given to you. I hope this is clear to you. And if you like the video, if it is helpful, please like, subscribe and share with others. Thank you for watching.